In this chapter we think you can get more knowledge about force. In this video we talk about some concepts associated with force. They are: what is force? Magnitude of force. Direction of force. Point of applications of force. Graphical representation of force.
What is pressure?
Factors affecting the pressure. Units of pressure. And finally, changing the factors affecting the pressure.
Okay, let's go. First point is:
what is force?
The force means push or pull. Do you know we can apply the changes of object using force? According to the applying force, object at rest can be moved. Object in motion can be stopped. The speed of motion can be changed. The direction of motion also can be changed. The shape of the object can be changed.
Examples: pulling, pushing, twisting, stretching, squashing. Examples: magnitude of force. Magnitude of force is measured by Newton's spring balance. SI unit of measuring force is Newton.
Direction of force and point of application. The point of an object on which the force is exerted is known as the point of application force. Direction of motion. The force acts to the direction of pulling along the thread. The object moves along the direction of force exerted. The point that the thread is tied is point on which the force is acting on the object. That point is known as point of application of the force. The quantity that have a magnitude as well as a direction are known as vector quantities. The force has a magnitude and a direction. Therefore, force is a vector quantity.
Used to measure the magnitude of force. Examples:
Lesson 5. Pressure exerted by solid. Pressure. What is mean by pressure? The force exerted on unit area known as pressure. Pressure, force divisible by unit area. Example: a child behind a bag with a narrow strap comfortably. Pressure, force divisible by unit area.
Unit of pressure. Unit of pressure can be dedicated by using the above relationship of pressure. The standard unit of measuring force is Newton, and the standard unit of measuring surface area is square meter. Pressure equal perpendicular force divided by surface area on which the force is acting. Pressure equal Newton divided by square meter. Example: Weight of a cubic box is 400 Newton. It is kept on horizontal firm surface. Pressure exerted by the box on the surface area is 200 Pascal. What is the contact area of surface area of the box? Pressure equal perpendicular force divided by surface area. Surface area equal perpendicular force divided by pressure. Surface area equal 400 Newton divided by 200 Newton per square meter. Changing the factors affecting mass pressure needed. Instances where the increasing the pressure. A piece of soap can be cut using thin wire. A nail can be fixed into the wall. If we is increasing the pressure, we should cross-sectional area. If we need to cut the something, it is very easy to cut it using sharp knife. Example: increasing where the decreasing the pressure. Function of the building created very broadly. We can walk on beach very easy by wear in rubber slippers. Tires, wheels of bulldozers and backhoe machines created broadly. Railways are fixed on broad slippers. Example:
there are two factors in the pressure, force and area. Pressure exerted by a solid object on a solid surface can be calculated according to the following formula. Pressure equal to perpendicular force divided by surface area on which the force is acting. Pressure exerted by a solid object on a solid surface depends on two factors: perpendicular force acting on the surface and surface area on which the force is acting. Application of decreasing pressure in daily life. When cutting some things, foundation of the building construct very broadly, and backhoe machine and bulldozers consist with broad tires, and large heavy vehicle consist with large number of wheels in increases the surface of area.